Hi, my name is Peter of Shields Motor Company Limited, an independent used car sales specialist based in Bracknell, Berkshire, and established since 1996. Welcome to the video walk around of this 2005 105 plate SAAB 93 convertible. This is the 2-litre turbo. It's the Vector edition, 175 brake horsepower, and it's very rare. It has the automatic gearbox. Now please forgive the background noise, we've got a bit of construction going on in the background here. This car has covered just 99,000 miles from new and has had just 2 keepers from new. It's first of all a company car for D'Souza, and then it's been in one lady's hands ever since. The car has a full service history. There's a total of 8 stamps for the car, including an invoice for the cam belt done at 73,000 miles. We just serviced the car, it's now showing 99,000 miles. MOT until November 2018, with no advisories. 58 stage inspection carried out by us. The car is HPI clear and leaves us with a 3-month UK-wide warranty. Now, the car is very well presented. It's in the best colour combination, black with black and the cream hood. 5-spoke alloy wheels. Obviously for an older car there's going to be some marks. I'll try and point them out to you, but to be fair, at this age and price point we're not going to point out everything. So you've got a little scuff there in the rear bumper. Going around, the car has picked up the odd scratch in its life and the odd parking ding, but that's got to be expected. But very careful owner has touched in these marks, which is nice. You don't often get that. The hood has no nicks or tears. There's no nasty scabs in the car, no rust that we can detect. All we had to do was replace a couple of bulbs on the PDI, and like I said, we've given it a service. So, there's another touched in scratch. It's nice to see these honest points of care on the vehicle. We have the sheaf of paperwork for the car, both keys, remote central locking. Takes you into a very nicely presented cream leather interior. Electric windows all round. The hood is of course electric, automatic gearbox said. It's a proper 4-seater, and don't let your spouse talk you out buying the car saying it's not good for children. It has ISOFIX preparation on both sides. This car has the rarely seen navigation, and that works. Now bear in mind it is a older sat-nav unit, but it works fine. So the car starts off absolutely on the button. No warning lights stay on. 99,089 miles at the time of doing this video. The car's been run up to temperature, so you can see there's no issues there, and we give the cars a good run around. So there we are, radio, CD and navigation. There's a fuel display up there for you. Everything appears to work with the exception of the seat button there and the volume button there. They appear to have a bit of a mind of their own. We have climate control, dual zone. Just a nicely presented car. Now obviously the main thing that people are going to want to see on this, other than the navigation, we'll press that, we've got an address programmed in there. It'll take a few moments or two to set up, is going to be the roof operation. So it's on the button here. Now you can see that it starts off by lifting the rear deck and the rear glass. It's a heated rear screen.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Okay, there goes the roof. So that goes down, the rear deck will come up and close it all in. There you go. There's the sat nav, so that's giving us direction someplace in London. All works fine and dandy-o. We'll just drop the windows, complete the look, and we'll have a look outside the car. Okay, if you never had a convertible, a SAAB really is a lovely way into ownership. Look at that, look how nicely presented that vehicle is. Looks the business in black, smart alloys, doesn't make any untoward noises, drives superbly. Rear automatic, so if you want it for the city it's ideal. You're not having to do the constant changing of gears. These cars still turn heads, and obviously they don't make SAAB anymore, sadly. So a nice SAAB in good condition is not going to lose money over the years to come. I'd say the value of these cars is pretty much bottomed out. This vehicle books at anything between 2,250 and 2,750 according to the trade guides. Now a lot of our competitors have similar cars up for 2,500 quid, some cheeky ones, because the autos are rare, have them up at 3,000 quid. We're not greedy at Shields Motor Company. We believe in offering the best value that we can, and this car is up for sale. for well under £2,000. Now we will get every penny of that. We'll just put the roof back up. You can watch the process again. So I will just say to you, it's a fully prepped car, sensible mileage, low ownership, well protected, long MOT, great service history. We are not going to accept any offers in this vehicle, okay? So you see this vehicle at the advertised price. That is the money we want for the car, and that is the money that we will get for the car. So with the greatest respect, if you can't afford it, please don't give us a call. We accept debit and credit cards, and we will consider part exchanges. Got to show you the boot, there you go. The boot's a reasonable size. You got your warning triangle, and under here you got your spare wheel. So all in all, a nice car. Just to recap, 2005. It's a SAAB 9.3 2-litre turbo. It's a Vector model, 175 brake horsepower, automatic gearbox, 99,000 miles, full service history. One previous keeper, lady driver. Just serviced by us, 58 stage inspection carried out, HPI clear, long MOT. Drives well. It's not a brand new car, but we've tried to point out what we can. In terms of a cheap way into a little bit of posh motoring, slap a private plate on it, nobody will know that you've only spent under 2,000 quid on the car. It's got to be worth a call. My name's Peter, telephone number 07872 340 360. Shields Motor Company, we're open 7 days a week by appointment. Genuine inquiries are more than welcome. Debit and credit cards accepted. We don't offer finance, and in this price point we don't get many inquiries anyway. So we're Shields Motor Company Limited of Bracknell, Berkshire. Get on the phone before this car goes quickly. Thank you.